Hey guys, welcome to Tony Michelle's planning channel. Oh my gosh, my back is killing me. I hate to be a Debbie Downer, you guys, but I am not feeling well today. So I am doing a giveaway. Today is the last day of the entry. This is the box. I'm not going to go through it again. But I am going to go ahead and name the winner of the giveaway, and I want to explain how I came up with this person. First of all, I want to say thank you to everyone for your support for this particular planning channel. You guys are amazing. I appreciate everybody's prayers, everybody's thoughts. I'm going through a lot of health problems at the moment. I should have a vlog up. Try to have it up this week or this weekend, if not next week, of what's going on with me. And it's going to be like a 30-minute vlog of very specific things. So look for that if you want like I'm going to try to vlog once a week about my health and stuff, what's going on with me. So that's that. So look for that video. So yeah, today's video is the winner of the ERIN CONDREN giveaway. Today was the deadline, the 29th of August. So, let me just say, again, thanks everyone who entered and followed all the rules. What I did was, I didn't have a lot of people in this particular giveaway. This is a smaller channel, so a lot of people probably don't know about this channel, or maybe they're just not into planning as much as they are makeup. So also this was not a international giveaway, it was only US. So it was a smaller number than what I usually have. I usually have like at least 1,000 people that enters in like a makeup giveaway or something. And I had just like a handful of people in this particular giveaway. So what I did was, I picked the people that followed all the rules, and I put them in a drawing, and I pulled a name out. So that's how I did it. It was very simple, very basic, very old school. So I'm going to go ahead and say the winner of this ERIN CONDREN planner. It is a 2-year planner, or well, it's 18-month planner. So it's awesome. It's beautiful. It's brand new. You're going to get full of stickers. You're going to get kits. You're going to get accessories. A lot of fun planning stuff if you enjoy planning. So you're going to get a little box of goodies. So drum roll please. Christy A, you are my winter. What the hell's wrong with me? You are my winner, girl. I just want to say congrats. Thank you for following all the rules. Thank you for the support of this channel. And congratulations. Everybody tell her congratulations down below in the description bar. You know what to do, Christy. Just message me on my Instagram and leave me your up-to-date address. And I will try to have this giveaway out. I will send it to you next week. So, yeah. Just message me privately that you saw the video and your address, and I will have it sent out next week. So keep that in mind. Like I said, I am going through health problems, so I'm trying to, this is probably the last giveaway for a while. But anyway, my camera is dying. I just want to say I love you all. Congratulations, Christy, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Love ya.